In this video, we're going to be going over how to duplicate a page in Squarespace 7.1 and go through all the things that you need to know when you're duplicating a page to make sure that everything remains clear and concise to the browsers and to the search engines so that your titles are correct and don't look funny and that everything is all good. So, why would you want to duplicate a page? Well, you may have multiple products that you or services that you offer, and you want to just duplicate the service page. You know, you already have a page looking really nice, and you just want to duplicate that to create another services page. So what you do is you go into Pages, and then you go down to the page that you actually want to duplicate or clone, and you go to the little gear there, and then you scroll down here under the page settings and general. You just scroll right down and say duplicate page, and then it'll ask you to confirm, and just go ahead and confirm that. And then there's a few things that you want to do here. So you want to rename this to your new service. So you just go ahead and go into the gear here, and that way you can rename everything. So you want to make sure that you rename the page title, so whatever that new service is going to be. And then you also want to make sure you change the URL slug to something descriptive as well. And then if you are ready to launch the page, then go ahead and say enable, but you may want to disable it while you edit the rest of the page. And then when you're done editing the page, come back here and enable the page again, and make sure you save that setting. Then you also want to make sure, before you get out of here though, is you want to go to the SEO, and you also want to add your own description. So this is going to be a separate description that explains the new service. You know, this new service is available nationwide, or if you're going to say locally or worldwide. And then go on explaining in depth what your service is. And then if you want to have a different SEO title, you can go ahead and add that there if you want it to be different than the title of the page itself. And then if you want to hide this page from search results, which you don't have to worry about if the page is disabled, just make sure that when you come back and you are done editing the whole page, come back and say enable page, and then you will be all set, and you can start editing your new page and add that new service, add that new feature. And hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions about Squarespace and how to do something in Squarespace, be sure to leave a comment down below. Check out our other videos here. If you can't find a video, then we'll make one if you leave a comment down below. And until next time, peace.